Hello guys, in this video I will actually show you, I actually find out a really cool website where you don't require any API keys for accessing AI models. You can directly, it's a free open source website. It's called as Puter. It allows you unlimited access to all the AI models directly. So if you simply type this on Google, the very first website which comes, this is actually a free cloud-based website. I, yeah, so Puter. So this is their official website. It's a personal internet computer. So and they offer this. It's a free open source GitHub project as well. So you can actually see it's got almost 40,000 GitHub stars. So it's created by this individual. It develops offers its own API as well, developer.puter.com. So it's a free serverless cloud and AI. You can develop any kind of AI application in seconds directly from your front end code. So it doesn't require any server, no billing, no API keys. So they also provide a playground section as well. So where you can actually run all the AI models directly. So we have this code section right here. We actually see this is all the source code that you need to include. So we are actually communicating with this GPT 5.4 nano model. We ask a question and we click this run button to actually run this code. So now you will actually see this script will automatically run, and now we get this answer right here. Life is difficult. So you can directly run this. You simply copy this code. So you can see we are not using any kind of API key. It's just a simple SDK which you can integrate inside your application. So just go to VS Code, simply type in index.html, paste this code. So we integrated this Puter SDK at the top here. We included this inside the script tag, and then we are simply writing this custom JavaScript code. We are instantiating this project, and we open this in live server inside the browser, and you actually see this website uses. So you click on continue, and after you do this, you will actually see it will display this data which is coming through this AI model. So in this easy way, it supports, as you can see, all the models. This is a simple hello world example. It can even do image analysis as well. So right here you submit an image, you provide this image as a URL, GPT 5.4, click on run. So it will automatically detect it looks like a stylish cat. So in this easy way, it also have cloud storage, publish a website, authentication, everything it is there. So it has all the models, DeepSeek, Gemini, Grok, extract text. You can even chat with Claude Sonnet as well. So you can see that this is a Claude Sonnet example. So this is has a great documentation. You can see that it automatically generates the response coming from Claude Sonnet. This is a perfect website, free open source website which allows you access to all the premium AI models for completely free. It doesn't cost any kind of money, so you can easily integrate this inside your project. You simply paste this, and once again you will see that now this Claude Sonnet will generate the response for you. You can do this unlimited number of time. So you can see that. So recently I found this API which got almost 40,000 GitHub stars. So you can change the question here. Let's suppose I change the question. I simply say top Node.js frameworks in 2026. Give me a detailed answer. So now if you run this, now it will exactly tell you the top Node.js frameworks in 2026. So you can see that now it is generating this response. You can integrate this with any kind of application you are building it. So it's the perfect way to integrate the AI model. So you will see it will generate everything. So it doesn't cost you any money right here. So you can build out any kind of chatbot for totally free using this SDK. So it actually generated all the top 10 frameworks, all the comparison. As you see that, you can just see right here. So we are running this locally right here. You can see that without any kind of API, it's totally free, unlimited. There is no restriction out there. You can do this unlimited number of time. You can change this question. This is kind of a chat bot you can directly develop. So right here I simply say that build a image to PDF web app in browser. So generate all the code. So we can even ask any kind of question. We can generate coding applications as well. So now it will generate the code for you. You will see now it is generating the HTML code, CSS, JavaScript code here for image to PDF application. So this is a really insane website, guys. It's actually you can start building in seconds. So everything more than 500 models are supported: text, image generation, text to speech, image to OCR, OpenAI, Claude, Gemini, Grok, DeepSeek, Llama, much more in your app, free and serverless. So simply include this script tag inside your, or you can install this Node.js model. Everything is on cloud. So directly you are using it inside your front end code. There is no restriction, no need to set up anything. Everything is set up right here. Everything handled by Puter.js. So almost 80,000 developers are using it. So you can see that it's completely free. It doesn't require any API key. All the services are available directly from the client side. And if you see the cost, it's free for developers. $0. You don't need to pay anything. So you can actually check their documentation. So exactly they have told you exactly how it works with 40,000 GitHub stars. It's an open source directories. All these functions are there. You can read all the documentation and build out a complete application. So it's a really good framework. Definitely check this out. And I recently got to know yesterday on github.com. I simply was exploring GitHub and I simply got this framework which you can see that. So it supports all the models right here. It also have the option to create an image from a text. So a picture of a cat, it can generate your request. So you can simply say, let's suppose two girls coding on laptop and simply run. You can simply run this by pasting this. This time we are generating an image by simply using a text prompt, and now if I run this, your request succeeded. You are seeing a sample output because test mode is on. So in this easy way you can see that. So for some requests like image generation, you do need to upgrade, but the majority of the time it's completely free. So now you will see that we are on the free account and our plan is free. So it gives you 100 megabytes of storage and your resources as you see that. So if you do need to upgrade at any point of time, you can click the upgrade button. So in the free plan you get 100 MB of cloud storage, limited bandwidth. Their pro plan start with $10, which gives you around 100 gigabyte of cloud storage, expandable AI access, accelerated bandwidth. It's kind of a hosting which allows you to actually access all the AI models directly at a single place. So without needing to purchase subscriptions, you can use this website. So I found this to be really good. Their documentation is also very good. So this is the DeepSeek example. You can see that. So it's using DeepSeek. We also have Grok, Gemini. So definitely check this out.